Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about ground turkey. Now, some of you are going, ew, ground turkey, why would I want that? Well, some people don't want all the fat and stuff in either ground beef or ground pork, so they get ground turkey, which is very lean. Another thing is, some people, because of religious beliefs, can't eat either beef or pork. So ground turkey is a good substitute for them as well. And hey, turkeys grow, they thrive in areas you wouldn't expect. At the house in California, we got turkeys all over the neighborhood. And so if you get really hungry, guess what? My wife and sons there, they can grab a turkey. In fact, my youngest son has often grabbed turkeys just for the heck of it, just to see if he can catch them. The thing is, though, turkey is a Native American bird, grows wild everywhere, and well, most everywhere, and it's a good source of protein. All right? So, before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here, playlist down here, another video over here, and my gardening and homesteading channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound up here. You take care.